been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What's good, what's poppy, and hope everybody's fine. So I want to make my black soap. Like, I've decided to take my skincare routine very seriously, so I'm making black soap for us today, and I'll just be introducing the ingredients and I'll talk about their benefits later. That's honey, natural honey. We have rose water. That's my orange peel powder, because at least we need a citrus extract. I have cinnamon powder. I have my lightening glycérine. I have that's vitamin C oil, very good for the skin, moisturizes and it brightens your skin. I have vitamin E oil. We all know vitamin E oil. That's my rice powder, Asian people's secret of being bright, glowy and young. We have shea butter, and that's my kojic acid powder. That's my preservative, and I also have neem powder. I don't know if I talked about the neem powder. It's like I forgot to show you my mixing bowl. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and take the quantity of black soap that I need for this mix. I don't really have measurements for it. I was just eyeballing everything, and I decided to fast forward. I didn't want it to be long. So that's my neem powder. So for neem powder helps to fight pimples, acne, eczema, and other skin issues. If you want to know more about neem powder, you can go ahead and search on the internet. And my orange peel powder, using it for the exfoliating properties. It helps to lighten visible scars. It repairs sun damaged skin. We have cinnamon to help for the exfoliation of your skin. It helps to like soften your skin. It has a lot of benefits that I can't talk about here because I didn't want the video to be long, but you can go ahead and still search. I have my kojic powder. Kojic powder helps to lighten visible sun damaged skin. Yeah, and I also have lots of benefits, but I was using it for that purpose. And then that's camwood. That's our camwood. It helps to like reduce the appearance of fine lines on your face. And rice powder has brightening effects too. It makes your skin smooth, it makes your skin look softer. So I'll just go ahead and pack everything. What else? Okay, your girl, I forgot turmeric. They will go kata of it all. Turmeric powder. It helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, acne, scars, and it has other benefits. So I was just trying to show you the difference between the two turmeric powders. You see the other one that is bright and yellow, that is what you have to use for your soaps and DIY glow oils, not the other one. The other one really stains and it has smell. It has a smell. That one is good for cooking and the rest. That's what they use to make curry powders and the rest. So know the difference, guys. See how this one is really yellow, like that sunset yellow, and it doesn't stain at all. It doesn't stain at all. So I'll just go ahead and put my honey. We all know what honey does to our bodies and our hair. It's a humectant. It draws moisture, because a lot of people have a conception that black soap is drying to the body. So when you go ahead and put all these other things, it helps to reduce the dryness. Thereby you have that deep cleansing effect, but you still have moisture in your body. So that's why I'm putting my honey. For the lightening glycerine, it also helps to draw moisture. Glycerine is nice. and this one has this is carotone glycérine, and it has that brightening effect too. That's my vitamin E. It helps like to tighten your skin. It brings your skin together. It just helps your skin to like soft, and it tightens into your skin, and it's just loose. Same with the vitamin C that I'm going to put in there. I just put small, like a teaspoon of my vitamin C. It also has that brightening effect, like it brightens you up. Shea butter, that shea butter now is for moisture too. It will help reduce that alkaline nature of the black soap. Like, use it, it's not going to be drying on your skin. Shea butter, shea butter now, it just softens your skin. Like, shea butter is a holy grail oil. Like, you use it for basically everything. So guys, I washed my hand thoroughly, and if I was doing this maybe for a client or for somebody, and I've worn my gloves, but I'm doing it for myself, and I know that I really washed my hands, and that's why I'm mixing it, because I really wanted to get in there. And then for our rose water, rose water is packed with antioxidants. It is anti-inflammatory. Like, it helps maintain your skin pH balance. It helps to soothe irritated skin. Like, if you have this kind of skin that usually gets irritated all the time, it helps for that. I talked about Neem powder already. So what I'll basically do, I'm just going to mix, see how soft it is. Yeah, I'm loving the consistency, but I think I'm going to add a little bit of rose water again. Just go ahead and mix. You can do it however you want. If you want it thicker, go ahead and add more rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can use like warm water. Just mix according to your taste, how you want your soap to like consistency which you want your soap to be. So just go ahead and mix. See, this soap here, and it's going to do wonders. I think I'm going to come back and give a review of this soap, because this is actually my first time making black soap for myself. I usually just buy the Dudu soap and I use, or the Z soap. So what I have there is preservative, since I've used water content. Even though the rose water is really refined, and it already has preservative, I'm just going to be extra careful, since I'm going to be using this in the bath, and no water will get into it either way, so why not preserve it? So I'll go ahead and mix some. I decided to use a spatula because I was scared of that preservative. I don't know, I didn't just want to touch it like that. But in the soap, it's okay. But I didn't just want to touch it with my hands, so I went ahead and used the spatula. And we're done, so I'll just go ahead and fill my container. Don't mind me guys, I just filled it like that because I filled it to the brim, because I wanted to like take a picture for thumbnail. So that's why I'm packing everything in there. But I went ahead to reduce it and put it in another container, so that I could use the lid of the container like to close it. And that's our black soap, guys. It's so rich. You saw everything I put in there. It's so rich. I'm doing this for my dark skin girls, because nowadays everything is about light skin. Everybody's going light skin, so I decided to try something for dark skin, and I believe this is going to really work. I'll come back and tell you about it. And I was just checking it for the foamy, what am I saying? I was just like trying to see if it was going to lather, because I added oils and glycerine and this thing, and see how it's lathering. Like, it's so nice. So thanks guys for watching.
Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you, and bye bye.